So for the first time in car, from Kishoreganj MMA, weighing in 51.8 kilograms, Maria Akhtar!
Fight keje dekhi kar koto khar hai. 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 Fight keje dekhi kar koto khar. Look at this, look at this. Era hoilo khar. Kaloge kar era mapa hoilo
For one and only female bout of the night. Let's give a huge round of applause for women and the fact that they are embracing combat sports as well. And we want women to embrace combat sports in this country.
And her opponent from Bangladesh Self-Defense and Karate Academy, Ruqayya Jahan Mir!
Fight keje dekhi kar koto khar hai. 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 Fight keje dekhi kar koto khar. Look at this, look at this. Era hoilo khar. Kaloge kar era mapa hoilo
Careful with the back of the head. Don't pull each other's hair. Huh? Touch gloves. Go back to your corners.
And we are underway with the sixth bout of the night.
I'm excited about this fight. The first female fight in Khar Academy. Both looks pretty serious, both lusting hard. Trying for a takedown. Knee to the body. Hip দিয়ে থ্রো করার চেষ্টা করতেছে।
And Meme got out of it.
Oh, those are some good
Maria
shots
has
to
some
the head.
long hands.
Yep.
Right? Maria has some very good long hands and
With
she's trying
some-
to... Oh, Meme lock.
Oh, she got her. She
It was
got
a
her.
single leg to a guillotine.
Is that a proper guillotine?
Sorry.
Rear
It's a
naked.
headlock.
Listening to her corner as well as doing the headlock with grace. Trying hard. Still couldn't sink it in. Oh. Some hits to the back of her head, which is illegal.
Meme actually did a pretty good job getting out of it.
Pretty sleek, right? খুব সুন্দর করে বের হয়ে যাচ্ছে বাট আবার হেডলক করে দিচ্ছে কিন্তু That's a good takedown. লক এখনো কিন্তু খুব pretty tight.
Meme is on a side control. But again, Maria উঠে গেল.
Maria has good lower body strength. উঠে যাচ্ছে বারবার.
But then again, Meme লকও করতেছে না ঠিক মতো, এইজন্য হতে পারে। ঠিক না?
Yeah.
And in a full mount position,
But both are pretty well matched, I would say. Physically, ability-wise, equally matched. She got the...
I would thank the organizer. This is a very equal matchup. दोनों जने किंतु माने खराब ना in grappling. I mean,
This is called a single mount, right?
right now she's in a half guard.
Half guard.
Oh yeah, also single mount.
Refereeing not letting Maria touch the fence. You're not allowed to.
আমি কিন্তু এত grappling expect করি না এই ফাইট
আমিও expect করি না।
you know, like a very striking fight. Given that both girls are very striking based, I'm surprised that they're grappling.
Grapple করতেছে আবার পাঞ্চ করার সময় কিন্তু রকেট পাঞ্চ মারতেছে pretty powerful 10
Maria
seconds right
solid
hand
punches.
excellent right hand by Maria
And Maria has her head in a lock again.
not fully locked though
Time!
Meme got lucky just like that.
But Maria has good strength in her hands and has a good grasp of punching. She knows how to punch.
Maria's punching besh bhalo. I think Meme is okay in terms of defending, but she needs to start with striking as well. Na hole you let your opponent get the better of you.
But I think Maria jodi ebhabe punch open paয়, she might go for a knockout, a clean knockout. She has good
For
punching.
a knockout fight, right?
Yeah.
From a boxing perspective, right? She's literally going for a knockout.
Landing that right hand cleanly, that's not an easy task. আপনি আর্সেনালে যদি এত
Jawad was fighting, it will all be boxing.
it will be probably boxing. So boxing আবার এই জিনিসটা হচ্ছে you have only one sort of weapon in your arsenal and দুইজন সেম জিনিসটাই করবে. So that's a different sport, but mixed
And it
martial
takes a lot of technical mastery. And Meme is trying to punch, but Maria grappled her up again.
but Maria answering her with a headlock, or it's the other way around. দুইজনে কিন্তু একটা headlock
Meme
position
যদিও
আছে.
লকটা করছে, she sadly ended up in
Maria might get her back.
Maria right now what we call a half guard এই পজিশনটা যখন একটা পা ভিতরে আরেকটা পা বাইরে লক করা তখন Meme's corner giving some pretty good advice. If Meme listens তাহলে কিন্তু actually কাজে দিবে.
No hitting on the back of the head. That's illegal.
মাথার পিছে is not allowed in mixed martial arts, whether that's professional or amateur, and সেটা এখানে ক্লিয়ার করছে রেফারি রায়ান হোসেন.
এমন কোথাও পাঞ্চ করতে পারবে না যেখানে আপনি অপোনেন্ট দেখতে পারবে না, see that punch coming. মাথা পিছনে মারাটা is very risky, and as we know that's a very vulnerable position as well. Meme is trying for a right hand,
Meme tries to get in, but AJ Maria grapples her up again.
got her cornered, but I'm pretty sure Maria will get out gracefully.
Another thing with MMA gloves is sometimes fighters do not actually want to throw back of the heads, but because the glove is so short, unlike boxing, right, bro? আটকে যায় gloves এর মধ্যে,
আটকে যায়,
ইয়ের মধ্যে, ব্লকের মধ্যে, এখানে কিন্তু অনেক সময় ঢুকে যায়. So back of the head না চলেও অনেক সময় হয়ে যায়.
ঢুকে যায় পাঞ্চ.
Oh, good knee to the belly. If I were Meme, I would try to break away from Maria and really make some distance for some strikes.
And if you have noticed যে ওরা grapple করতেছে but দাঁড়িয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে, grappling on air, that's pretty unique. No one's trying to take down, at least take down try করতেছে but not being able to.
I think you can clearly tell that they have a wushu background and probably some of them saw Muay Thai.
Yeah.
Stand up clinch চলে গেছে.
Clinching, a lot of knees.
So এরকম স্টাইল ফাইটিং আমরা অনেক সময় মুই থাইতে দেখি where দুইটা মানুষ দৌড়িয়ে stand up clinch করছে, which is basically before you take it to the ground you want to soften up the body with knees. এখানে যেখানে মারিয়া যখন নিটা থ্রো করছে,
No. Ryan Hussein, the referee, eyes locked in like an eagle. এখনো গ্র্যাপল থেকে বের হতে পারছে না, ওই লকটা থেকে এখন দুজনে কিন্তু লকড হয়ে আছে. And free hand tie she's using for uppercuts.
I think Meme wants to punch but Maria instantly grapples him. Punch করার জায়গা দিচ্ছে না.
So she
10 seconds.
use her hip to take her down. At a takedown করে যদি গ্রাউন্ডে গ্র্যাপলিংটা করে, I think it's gonna be more effective.
এটা অথবা you know
Time.
your footwork really comes into play.
Yeah.
Like notice একমাত্র remember the Abrar fight, ওরা ছাড়া কিন্তু proper footwork we are still yet to watch, and that's why you all should stay tuned because the next fights are going to be crazy.
The next fights are going to be pretty intense because as experienced fighters ring এ ঢুকবে, so cage ঢুকবে, I'm sorry, cage ঢুকবে, so we look forward to those fights, but এই খেলাটা কিন্তু এখনো আরেকটা রাউন্ড বাকি.
To everyone who came here, huge round of applause for making the effort to come see an MMA fight. This really helps grow the ecosystem and grow and support the community. এরপরে আরো যে তিনটা ফাইট আছে, those are going to be amazing fights, so please guys stay tuned. Those are going to be proper fights.
Round 3, final round, and we are off. Maria with
what a head
kick to the head. What a start to the round.
That was a proper shot on target.
Did you hear that? Did you just hear that? That was amazing. Perfectly connect হয়েছে. You couldn't ask for a sweeter connect. And a good takedown as well.
Same thing every time when Maria যখন সামনে যায় তখন মিম তাকে ধরে takes her to the ground, and that's why she's not being able to capitalize on striking.
Exactly. Maria should rather যখন দাঁড়িয়ে আছে ওকে ইভেট করে যদি ব্যাক ফুটে যায় বা সাইডে চলে যায় ওকে ইভেট করে যদি পাঞ্চ খেলতে থাকে from the outside, I think Maria would be much more successful.
Exactly. And again, এখানে কিন্তু striking অনেক কিছু করা যায়, but I don't know why they're going into it.
I think Maria isn't aware of how good her punching is, especially in this fight. এটা যদি আরেকটু সেলফ কনফিডেন্সের সাথে থাকে, she would have avoided mid takedowns, make her miss, and go for the punch.
Maria is on top. Maria needs to go to a full mount, and then she needs to throw ground and pound.
But regardless, the crowd is loving it. It has been an intense fight. Maria totally in control of the ground game. Needs more ground and pounding though.
Our meme এমন
And
একটা
she
জায়গায়
goes
stuck
for it.
হয়েছে, কেজে এমন একটা জায়গায় stuck হয়েছে, you cannot do much, you know, you're stuck.
You're stuck there. You're at a bad place.
And then Maria
And Maria knows that. Meme giving her back. Maria should utilize that. Go for a choke.
For Maria, again, it's out. For her to have a successful choke, she needs to have her spine in line with Mim's spine. তাহলে কিন্তু মানে you can get a successful rear naked choke.
Right? She should look for that gap. She should use that.
যেটা হচ্ছে সব ব্যাপারে এক জিনিস দেখি, ধরে ছেড়ে দেয় সবাই।
ধরে ছেড়ে দিচ্ছে. The crowd cheering for Maria. Maria কিন্তু so far অনেক ভালো খেলছে, but Mim is trying to turn the game over.
Mim is relentless in her attacks. This is why sense of urgency is so important. You need to know you're in a fight. You need to go through your opponent like a tank.
Very true. Mim is like a crocodile. She just gives a death roll. Reverse
Proper turn, brother. Proper turns out, bro. Exactly like a crocodile.
Like a crocodile, একটা death roll দিয়েও বের হয়ে যাচ্ছে danger থেকে. But Maria's
10
hands are made of
seconds.
stone.
Maria needs to move her head up, hip more higher, and then start landing ground and pound.
Time!
Iron. And that was a good fight, guys. Please give it a huge round of applause. And Maria showing her flair.
Looks like Maria got inspired by
Daddy in
Tanvir
the
from
house.
second bout.
So by the judges' decision, this match ended in a split draw.